kasi vlog to, di ba? Baka
Yeah, it's vlog.
ma-bash ako eh.
We will protect you at all costs pag binash ka.
Dapat women's ako. Be women's ako eh.
Whoa. Are you a feminist?
Sakto lang.
Okay.
Kasi there's may mga other feminists naman na, alam mo yun, may mga feminists na
Toxic?
Na toxic.
Hey guys, kumusta ulit? Carlos here from Tipsy Times Pinas. So bago tayo bumalik sa aming Naughty Adventures, gusto namin i-shoutout ang Roppongi 128. Isa siyang Japanese-style super club kung saan mabubuhay ang mga nightlife dreams niyo. Kaya punta agad dito sa may Katipunan Avenue, Quezon City lang. And as always, enjoy and party responsibly.
You're Filipina?
Yes, both parents.
What's your name?
Joanna Lara.
Joanna from?
Caloocan.
Okay. Single, married, or I don't know, situationships?
No, been single for years.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
So, I want to talk about thirst traps.
Okay.
Alright? What are your thoughts about it?
At thirst traps, syempre, it gives up confidence to someone. And also about being pretty, having a confidence within yourself to express yourself. Especially kapag hindi ka naman masyadong outgoing sa sarili mo. Like myself, hindi naman ako masyadong into social media, but when it comes to thirst trap, merong bagong labas na songs, and then you try to, alam mo yun, kapag may mga bagong songs na tracks, you want to try it and also post it to social media.
I mean, songs about thirst traps? Yung ba yung sinasabi mo?
Yes.
Okay.
Hindi naman ako masyadong into social media masyado. So, ayun lang masasabi ko about thirst trap. And personally, wala naman ako masyadong thirst traps eh. I mean, I don't even have a TikTok account.
You're positive with thirst traps?
Yes, of course.
Ako kasi, ang opinion ko sa thirst traps, parang it's a, let's just be real. Not all girls It's one way to seek validation and attention sa mga kalalakihan. Kasi thirst traps nga eh. And I don't mean to be uncensored, pero parang kang walang pinagkaiba yan na let's say you have a partner, siya lang ang pinatapos mo eh. Ikaw hindi ka pinatapos. Parang sa akin, ganun ang dating nun.
I mean, that's a valid reason naman. But everyone has a perspective in their thirst trap. Kasi meron akong mga friends na nagti-thirst trap, not for the guys, not for the validation of other people, but to also express themselves. Naman. Kahit naman ako, kung mag-video ako ng sarili ko, I'm not looking for a validation from others, but your reason is also a valid. So I wouldn't, hindi ko naman siya ito-turn down. A thirst trap, it has a positive and a negative sides. But, ayun lang naman, kung thirst trap, yun lang.
Say for a girl, nagti-thirst trap siya. Let's say meron siyang guy nagliligaw sa kanya or nagpa-pursue or they're dating. Pag nagti-thirst trap siya sa social media, di ba parang yun na nga, doon sinabi ko kanina, parang nagsisik siya ng validation and attention, di ba? And that's just me. Actually, may point ka rin eh, sinasabi mo. Pero pag ikaw, binibidyo mo yung sarili mo, yung kaseksiyan mo, do you post it on social media?
Usually, dinadrops ko lang siya. Yes, I wouldn't say
Importante, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo.
Oo. But,
And you feel sexy.
kasi kapag may nagko-compliment na naman sa'yo, in your videos, your thirst trap, it feels good, di ba?
Oh, okay. Lumabas.
May magre-reply sa story mo, wow, ganda naman, ganon. Parang nakakadagdag self-confidence and also nakaka-boost siya ng more expression about yourself.
So it's kind of a ego boost, huh?
For me. But I'm not saying about all the other girls.
Sige. I won't judge. Secret lang natin to.
Oo, kasi vlog to, di ba? Baka
Yeah, it's vlog.
ma-bash ako eh.
We will protect you at all costs pag binash ka.
Dapat women's ako. Be women's ako eh.
Whoa. Are you a feminist?
Sakto lang.
Okay.
Kasi there's may mga other feminists naman na, alam mo yun, may mga feminists na
Toxic?
na toxic. Pero let's cut it. Nasa thirst trap lang tayo, di ba?
Yeah, of course.
Meron-
Huwag tayo lumayo sa usapan.
Mahirap na mag-widen yung topic kasi baka may matakot tayo, may makuha tayong bashers. So, mahirap na.
Pero in case na may mag-bash sa'yo, nandito naman kami.
Magde-react na lang ako.
Love you. Thank you for your opinion.
Okay.
So if you like our content, please follow, support us,